Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, we will discuss if your Windows search is not working in Windows 11, if the search bar is not finding apps, files or settings. So we will fix the issue automatically. So let's get started how to fix it. So firstly, click on Start menu. Here you will search for settings, open settings. Now on the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Here you will see search, click on it. From there you can store my search history on this device to improve search results or clear device search history. Here scroll down till last. Here you will see the option advanced indexing options, click on it. Then you will see troubleshoot search and indexing, click on it. Select the problem you are experiencing, such as can't start search or see results, file folder apps or setting don't appear, search or indexing my problem is not listed. So if you can't start a search or see results, then click on next. Here you will see it will detecting problems. Then click on try troubleshooting as an administrator. Then again select the problem. It will troubleshoot in the administrator mode. So detecting problems. Here you will see troubleshooting could not identify the problem. You can exploring other options that might be helpful. Give feedback or close the troubleshooter. Click on close the troubleshooter. Close all the windows. Now you can use the search option to check if it is working or not. If it is not working, a simple restart will fix this issue. That's it. That's how to fix Windows search not working in Windows 11 using the built-in search and indexing troubleshooter. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.